So next we're going to go ahead and set these catch basins up. I've already taken out the screws that hold the grate in place. We've got to set these up for a double outlet. Little barbs, they snap in, little nipples. Twist and hold it. Locks it in place. Do the other side. Twist it in place. Nice and tight. Let's do another one. Remember, it has graded edges, little nipples, slots for it. Push it in, twist it. Make sure it's good and tight. Same thing on this side. Good and tight. Good. And our first one still has screws in it. So you pull those out with your handy dandy drill. Pop off your lid. This one we're setting up to be the inlet line, so it's got a cap on the end. You saw me pushing them off. I'm going to leave the cap on. This actually goes on the outside. You could put it on the inside, but it goes on the outside. Snap it in place. Twist and hold it. Now we're ready to put our grates back on. We'll put our screws in. And of course we'll continue doing this on the other three.